Hodge is back in the building. This thing walking over.
It's working.
Scrolling, sure it's scrolling.
Real cool. Real cool.
Hodge is back in the building, god damn it. I'm the building. I'm in the building. I'm in the building. Shit. You know what I mean? We're in the building, god damn it. Next time call professionals to do it. Don't call no sabotager or no mechanic. Get it? Mechanic. Call Hodge is back in electric. We're in the building, god damn it. We got love in the building. Sending into the building, god damn it. Do not call a mechanic. Call Hodge back and electric.
Thanks, Wappa.
Sabanero is in the building, god damn it. We are in the building. We are in the building. We are in the building. We are in the building, god damn it. Bless.